सबसे पहले मैं ये सवाल पूछना चाहूँगी आपसे कि घर वापसी हो रही है आपकी?
जहाँ तक घर वापसी की बात है, कोई सीमा लांघ गया हो या किसी ने पार्टी छोड़ने की बात सोची या कही हो, तो मैं समझता हूँ ये सवाल आपका वाजिब है। अदरवाइज़ मैं समझता हूँ ये सवाल आपका वाजिब नहीं है।
राजन, आपको ना कल आप जब उस मीटिंग से बाहर रात को आए थे, तब आपने ये कहा था कि राजनीति के डिस्कोर्स में देयर शुड बी अ मर्यादा, एक मर्यादा की बात आपने कही थी। और मुझे याद है अशोक गहलोत ने आपके बारे में कहा था कि आप निकम्मे हो, नाकारा हो, कोई काम आप नहीं करते थे, आप सिर्फ इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग गुड लुकिंग नेता हो, उसके अलावा आप में और कुछ नहीं है।
देखिए, राजनीति में मुझे लगता है कि हम इश्यूज़ को, प्रिंसिपल्स को, मुद्दों को लेकर काम करते आए हैं। हम चुनाव लड़ते हैं तो जनता के सामने कुछ इश्यूज़ लेकर जाते हैं और पब्लिक उसके आधार पर वोट करती है। और मेरा अपना व्यक्तिगत मानना है कि पब्लिक डिस्कोर्स में, राजनीति में कोई व्यक्तिगत द्वेष, व्यक्तिगत ग्लानि या व्यक्तिगत कटुता की भावना नहीं होनी चाहिए। और एक शब्दावली का प्रयोग, जिन शब्दों का चयन हम लोग करते हैं, बहुत सोच समझ के करना चाहिए। मैंने इश्यूज़ रेज़ किए थे, प्रिंसिपल्ड इश्यूज़ थे, फंक्शनिंग के, गवर्नेंस के, लीडरशिप के, और मुझे लगता है कि हमारी पार्टी में इतना लोकतंत्र है कि अपनी बात को हम रख सकते हैं। उस बात को सुना गया, ध्यान से सुना गया, और मुझे खुशी है कि एक रोड मैप तैयार किया गया है कैसे हम इन इश्यूज़ को टेकअप करेंगे और इसका निराकरण करेंगे समय रहते ही। आई डोंट फील बिटर और सैड। आई एम अ पॉजिटिव पर्सन। आई टेक थिंग्स इन द राइट स्पिरिट। अ लॉट ऑफ आवर कॉलीग्स हु आर MLAs, देयर वर क्लोज टू 40 or 45 FIRs registered against them. They were fearing for their life and limb. And I think it's my duty to make sure that they are not harassed. In fact, in the times gone by, there was a lot of action that was done from the Rajasthan government, which I thought was uncalled for.
Yeah, but Mr. Paniya, the point is that, you know, when someone like Ashok Gehlot himself in the sound bites, and I'm not even talking about anyone else, he repeatedly said that we have audio proof to show that Sachin Pilot actually was negotiating with the BJP.
I don't want to go into that. I had my issues. I raised it at the right forum because I think the All India Congress Committee is the right platform to have said that. We had raised it before. Unfortunately, the people responsible for that communication in the middle, I don't think did the right job. That's why there was a lot of pent-up issues that needed to be addressed. And me and my colleagues felt that we have to make it happen now. 18 months that have gone by, I'm not saying this, responsible people and people in Jaipur have said this, that I mean, all was not well. There was a lot of issues that were going on and we wanted those to be addressed. It's not about persons and personality. I think it's about what we had promised, how we were not able to function and get the space, respect and regard that we deserved, and we were not allowed to do the things that we wanted to do. It's important to raise those issues. It's, you know, in politics, name calling and allegations are very easy to throw at. It's much more difficult to take a stand, to look and to introspect and to see what went wrong and how to fix it.
Mr. Paniya, in your talks with the Gandhis yesterday or with the Congress leadership, have you been assured that you'll be made the Chief Minister? Do you think you should be getting that top post?
Well,
yeah.
No.
At some point of time? Yeah.
Pallavi ji, a year and a half ago, the Congress party decided to make Ashok ji Chief Minister and I was made Deputy Chief Minister. And we worked. Unfortunately, it didn't work out like we had planned. There were differences in the way of working, and I made that, you know, very candidly. I accepted that. Now, I don't know what the future holds, but I have left all decisions about what my role should be to the party. I have not asked for any positions or posts. I'm quite happy to work. I'm an MLA. I'll work in the state and wherever my party needs me to go.
Are you happy just working as an MLA there? Is Rajasthan going to remain your Karma Bhumi?
Well, I've been there for 20 years and I certainly will remain there. That's a place that I represent, and I have a commitment towards working for the people. Position and post, I don't know what the future holds. I left that decision to the party, but I will work wholeheartedly. I think we have promises that we made that have to be kept, and I will leave no stone unturned to live up to those promises. And whether I'm in position or not, it's not important, but people are important, their faith is important, and the confidence we have with them, that has to remain unbroken.
And that full interview with